sometimes you also need attrition. You want the new blood to do reading. And that's it. Walang maalis. So, I don't want them to leave, but there are other times you also need talent. Like you graduate, how can I afford to get this money? Unless may mag-retire or somebody, then I get one. So, an easy purchase. But like in other companies, 20-30%, bago na naman. Sabi mo, wala, 8%, 8%. Walang nagre-retire. So, ang ano lang yung contractual employee. Nakita na. Serious lang. But how about like yung HR personnel? Whether they have problems? So, cases. Pag may problema naman sila is in the hotel kasi you open your you can always do GM or you can always put NATI and apply assistance. So, I think, sa hotel kasi ito yung pinaka-democratic nito. Hindi mo kada yung old HR na personnel. Hindi na siya ngayon people na or vocal, very aggressive. Hindi meron kami employees council. So, wala kang problema natin mo employees council, makikita sa management. So, napaka-democratic na ako. Kasi nga, I think it's the business, no? Everybody's open. You can say what you want to say. So, it's a little bit about that. Kaya lang kasi
longer work period.
Kung hindi ka sanay. Kasi ngayon, iba na kayo, generation. Ano na kayo, no? Gen Y. So, gusto nyo work-life balance. Meron kayong Sabado at Linggo na free. Eh, walang ganun dito. Kaya usually yung mga bata, yan ang problema ko ngayon. Madilim. After 1-2 years, mom, because we want to have work-life balance. And then after, good afternoon. After 5 minutes, I finish my interview. Okay, nice. So, yun. Saan sa hotel kayo kaya talagang full education. Talagang it has to be a vocation. Kasi pag mahina yung education. Pero naman, ang ganda naman kasi people talagang mahahasa. Akala nila sa course. Nasa ay saka pumunta.
Working with people everywhere.
Sarap. Masarap sa hotel. Kaya lang talaga yung iba ngayon kayo time for yourself. Parang ganun din. Hindi kasi lang ako dito. HR ko ba bagong kuha kapag niraise ko, dinatelo ko. After this, Mom, I'm so tired of it. Ayaw nila. I'm saddy. Kasi hindi na kaya yung kami kasi Gen, kami expert. Kaya kami yung mga after baby boomers. Eh, Gen Y, naku. Kaya ang dami-dami kasing offer. Kasi kami usually stay on the job. Every 2 years, lumilipat. Kasi have new ideas, fresh. Everything new. Iba na yung generation. And my son is just like you. Hindi may mapapasting. After 1 week, lumilipat na. Kasi easily get bored. Diba? Diba na talaga kayo. So I cannot do anything on it. It's the friend. It's the lifestyle. You want to explore everything, you know? And it's about the HR personnel. Are they like college? Yes, meron ako. Isa lang. Kasi kailangan sa oriented sila sa hotel. Kasi may iba ayaw. Gusto nila 8 to 5. Not necessarily like for education. Isa lang kailangan ko kasi siya nagiging exam. Isa lang.